Hi everyone! So in this video, I will show you how to use History tab in Opera GX web browser. First, we will open the Opera GX browser and then we will click on the History icon on the left sidebar. It looks like a clock and it says History when you hover over it. Once we click on that, it will open up the History tab. Now we can see here what websites we have visited recently. We can scroll up and down to look up the links we have visited. We can also search for specific stuff, like for example, we can search on YouTube. And this will show the YouTube links I have visited. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorial contents. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!